Hello friends! Hope that many of you had great time with your family during the past Easter holidays and now charged with positive emotions, you're ready for the industry market updates. It's time to see what is new in power semiconductors industry. Infineon Technologies introduced a new CoolSiC technology, the CoolSiC MOSFET 1200V M1H. The advanced silicon carbide chip will be implemented in a widely extended portfolio using the popular Easy module family, along with the Discrete packages using .xt interconnect technology. The M1H chip offers high flexibility and is suitable for solar energy systems such as inverters that have to meet peak demand. The chip is also ideal for applications such as fast EV charging, energy storage systems, and other industrial applications. As an innovative developer and manufacturer of silicon carbide power modules, Lippers Semiconductor introduced its HPD series silicon carbide power modules designed specifically for the electrical vehicles. HPD series are 1200V 3-phase water-cooled silicon carbide MOSFET power modules in industry-recognized automotive footprint, which are optimized for traction inverters and motor drives. HPD series provide high power density and efficiency for inverters designed for longer driving range and lower battery cost. To deliver best-in-class automotive-grade HPD silicon carbide power modules, Lippers Semiconductor uses its patented arc bonding technology. Unlike traditional aluminum wire bonding technology used by many manufacturers of automotive-grade power semiconductors, arc-bonded patented chip surface connecting technology ensures the reliability of silicon carbide modules reach automotive application requirements, while significantly reducing parasitic resistance and parasitic inductance. Besides, arc bonding proved to significantly reduce static losses, improve power cycling, and the ability of short-time impulse current. And even if 610 silicon carbide dies are connected in parallel, HPD series power modules still work consistently. Lippers Semiconductor will present HPD series silicon carbide MOSFET power modules during the PCIM Europe trade show, which will be held in Nuremberg, Germany, May 10 to 12, 2022. All visitors and participants can meet Lippers Semiconductor team at the booth 520 in Hall 7. SanRex launched silicon carbide MOSFET with a current capacity of 50 amps, using a package with a 4-pin structure that achieves fast switching and low loss. In addition to the existing module products, SanRex added a 50 amps discrete product to meet a wide range of customer requirements. Power devices are used in a variety of applications in the automotive and industrial fields. This product reduces unnecessary inductance by incorporating silicon carbide MOSFET chip with a built-in reflux diode function, and achieves high-speed switching and low loss by adopting a 4-pin structure that brings out the performance of silicon carbide MOSFETs. BorgWarner, a global product leader in delivering innovative and sustainable mobility solutions for the vehicle market, has received a $4 million US Department of Energy award to design and develop a cost-effective, advanced direct current fast charger. BorgWarner received one of 25 research, development, and demonstration projects which aim to advance electrification, reduce vehicle emissions, and improve EV charging infrastructure. BorgWarner will lead the 36-month project in coordination with US-based suppliers and research partners, including Michigan State University, eTrans Energy, CityFly, the State of Michigan, and Barton Marlow. In addition to component supplier support from Wolfspeed, kickoff of the project is slated for Q1 of 2022. Infineon Technologies expands its existing backend operations in Indonesia. PT Infineon Technologies Batam to purchase real estate from PT Unisem, a member of Unisem Group. The premises close to Infineon's existing back-end manufacturing site include manufacturing buildings that will double Infineon's production area in Batam when fully operational. Because of this expansion, Infineon's Batam site will increase its focus on the assembly and test of automotive products. Production is expected to start in 2024. The expansion in Batam is part of Infineon's long-term investment strategy, which foresees investments of approximately €2.4 billion for the 2022 fiscal year. Semiconductor supply chain sustainability and resilience will come into sharp focus at SEMICON Southeast Asia. The region's premier gathering of the semiconductor and microelectronics industry returns to Malaysia following a 2-year hiatus due to the pandemic. To be held from 21st to 23rd June 2022, SEMICON Southeast Asia 2022 will commemorate Malaysia's 50th year of manufacturing excellence and celebrate Penang's reputation as the Silicon Valley of the East, built on decades of manufacturing excellence and industrial experience. Themed Forward as One, building a resilient and sustainable electronic supply chain in Southeast Asia, SEMICON Southeast Asia 2022 will gather industry experts for the latest developments, innovations and trends across the semiconductor supply chain. Semiconductor manufacturing equipment companies, private and public partners and industry players will connect to explore new collaboration and growth opportunities. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. As usual, more market news coming next week. Meanwhile, go to my blog for more information or join me in social media. Keep in touch.